You were poised and confident during your entrance number, lyrical and dreamy during the veil. Now it's party time. This is the party song. You want to be upbeat, vivacious, energized, happy. This is where you're going to bring the show to your audience. You want to make very direct, very specific contact with members of the audience, and you want to get people involved in your show. This is the middle of the show, and this is kind of the audience participation part, if we can get them to participate. You're going to be able to go right up to the tables, you can do combinations in front of them, and maybe coax people up onto the dance floor. Especially if you have a special birthday boy or there is an honoree at this show that you're doing, you really should make a point of getting them up, even if it's just briefly. Your emotional quality during this section of the show should be very, very happy. And you can even be a little flirty. You can be a little coy. You can do little sidelong glances at people, flirt with your eyes. You can be very coaxing. If you know the audience that you're dancing for and you know the people very, very well, you might even take them by the hand and pull them up onto the dance floor with you. It's really, really important to have a good sense of your audience. In the entrance, when you came out, you were checking out, seeing who looked shy and who looked like they were really into the show. In the veil segment, you should have also been absorbing your audience's reactions. So now you're going to use this information that you've gathered, if you have an audience that consists of multiple people, and determine who are the smart people for you to go up to.